The compact utility segment evolved around the needs of two kinds of drivers. The first group is looking for a versatile, all-purpose family vehicle, often a second car, with contemporary styling, fuel efficiency, luxurious appointments, and the all-weather security of four-wheel drive. The second group of compact utility buyers are more traditional, looking for the toughest four-wheeler they can get for recreational use. They want built-in quality, maneuverability, power, and the latest technology. But they may not wish to sacrifice all the amenities of civilization, riding comfort and operating convenience. Ford's new Bronco II is designed to satisfy both these personal use needs. In fact, Bronco II is designed to meet the same tough standards as Ford's best-selling full-size 4x4s, while providing the maneuverability and practicality of a compact vehicle. With a beefy ladder-type frame and all-steel body construction, Bronco II is built to take on the backcountry. It features Ford's exclusive twin traction beam front suspension, a patented design which helps each front wheel step independently over bumps or ruts off-road, while also providing outstanding riding comfort and maneuverability around town. Bronco II offers the most powerful gasoline engine on the compact market, a 2.8-liter V6, designed specifically for rugged four-wheel drive applications. Yet it also features standard electronic engine controls for fuel efficiency under virtually any driving condition. And in '85, Bronco II offers something else. The new overhead cam 2.3-liter turbocharged diesel engine, designed specifically for rugged truck applications. The 2.3-liter turbo diesel is a true truck diesel, not a dieselized gasoline engine. The 2.3-liter turbo diesel provides the fuel efficiency and low-end pulling torque drivers expect from a diesel. But because it is turbocharged, it is capable of instantly ramming substantially more fuel-air mixture into the cylinders for on-demand response and significantly greater horsepower than a conventional diesel. It also features a special control module, which lets the driver start up without waiting for the glow plugs to warm up. A self-priming fuel system so fuel injectors are instantly pressurized, and an integral bypass oil filter which extends the oil change interval to 5,000 miles. In 1985, all Bronco II engines feature a standard 5-speed manual overdrive transmission. This provides the added driver involvement of manual shifting that many off-road enthusiasts want. But those who need the convenience of automatic shifting do not have to sacrifice the efficiency of overdrive gearing. Because in 1985, Bronco II also offers the innovative new A4LD automatic overdrive transmission in combination with the V6 engine. The A4LD features an electronically controlled locking converter clutch, which provides smooth hydraulic shifting in lower gears. But once the vehicle is up to highway speed, power is transmitted straight through the transmission mechanically for optimum overdrive efficiency. Bronco II also provides a choice of proven four-wheel drive systems. Avid off-roaders may prefer the efficiency, simplicity, and proven toughness of the standard manual locking front hubs. But automatic locking front hubs are also available for those who never want to get out of the cab. Either way, with the hubs locked, Bronco II's part-time transfer case permits convenient shifting between two- and four-wheel drive on the fly as running conditions require. Bronco II also provides standard power steering and power front disc brakes because of the security and ease of handling they provide off-road, as well as around town, where Bronco II's trim exterior dimensions and short front and rear overhangs can be just as important for maneuverability as they are when the going gets tough. In fact, everywhere you look on Bronco II, you'll discover a little extra attention to detail. The standard swing-away side mirrors and standard fuel tank skid plate help prevent damage in rugged terrain. And the fuel tank holds a full 23 gallons for those times when filling stations are few and far between. The body incorporates state-of-the-art corrosion protection features, such as a full-body cathodic primer dip and new urethane lower body coating. The convenient flip-up rear tailgate is made of space-age compounds which cannot rust, ever. and it may be complemented with an optional swing-away full-size spare tire carrier, flip-open rear window, and rear window washer wiper defroster. The carpeted cargo area can hold up to 65 cubic feet in back, while Bronco II's standard split-fold rear seats can accommodate both long cargo and rear seat passengers, another exclusive Ford advantage. The base Bronco II is completely equipped with value-enhancing features like front bucket seats, full-length 16-ounce carpeting, a new A-frame steering wheel, and color-keyed trim all around. There is virtually no exposed sheet metal. For even more luxury, there's the elegant Bronco II XLT with wood-tone cluster applique, an AM/FM stereo, upgraded cloth and vinyl seat trim, cloth and carpeted door trim, and additional details like interval wipers, low-mount western mirrors, tape stripes, and deluxe wheel trim. The sporty XLS features a 3-color tape stripe graphic treatment with blackout trim, deluxe color-keyed interior trim, plus functional features like a tilt wheel with speed control and heavy-duty shock absorbers. For the ultimate outdoor experience, the popular Eddie Bauer Bronco II returns in 1985 with XLT-level interior trim, unique cloth seat trim, the convenience and light groups, plus a unique two-tone paint treatment with accent stripes, cast aluminum wheels with P205 multi-surface tires for all-weather running, and the Ford Care Extended Service Plan to back up Ford's leadership in quality. If you can name it, chances are you can have it on Bronco II. As you might expect, Bronco II offers a wide range of comfort, convenience, and functional options as well, including new options for 85, such as power windows and locks, an all-electronic AM/FM stereo radio with cassette player, or the premium sound system with 2 additional rear speakers and the additional power of a 4-channel amplifier. In 1985, a new simplified rapid spec system has been developed to make ordering options for Bronco II easier. But that's what no compromise means in a Ford family four-wheeler.